Run today here I have a revisit of this fan. It's a Holmes Blizzard one-touch oscillating fan. This is a childhood fan of mine that I had for a long time since I was 5 or 6. It was a new fan I got, and it's blue fan, which is my favorite color here. Even the controls here are cool. It comes with a thermostat and 2 speeds. One touch Holmes logo there, and it's from 2004 here. As you can see, there's the rating in the label. This on for oscillation, or press down for off. The front grill is like a tornado here. It's a Holmes Blizzard fan, and this fan moves a lot of air for this size, and I'll do a demonstration now of this fan.